Ready to unlock the power of teamwork and supercharge your real estate business? Follow Up Boss is designed for collaboration. Let's dive into how you and your team can work together seamlessly. First, understand that every contact and deal within Follow Up Boss can be accessed and updated by your team members, fostering transparency and shared knowledge. Easily assign leads to specific agents within your team using the Assign button on any contact profile. This ensures accountability and prevents leads from slipping through the cracks. The Note section is your team's central communication hub. Each agent can log calls, meeting notes, and relevant information directly within the contact's profile. Use it mentions to tag specific team members and draw their attention to important details. Streamline communication using the team inbox. This shared inbox ensures everyone is on the same page, allowing for quick responses and efficient delegation of tasks, making sure nothing is missed. Customize deal stages to reflect your team's workflow. By creating clear and consistent stages, everyone understands where a deal stands and what actions need to be taken. Leverage reporting features to track team performance and identify areas for improvement. Monitor lead flow, conversion rates, and individual agent activity to optimize your team's overall success. By utilizing these collaborative features, you can transform your real estate team into a well-oiled machine, improving client service and closing more deals together. Don't forget to subscribe for more Follow Up Boss tips and tricks.